A source alphabet consists of n symbols with the probability of first two symbols being same. A source encoder increases the probability of the first symbol by some small amount epsilon, we can say as is, and decrease that of the second by after encoding the entropy of the source. We have a source alphabet that consists of n symbols having some symbols probability first two symbols being the same. The first two symbols are always in same, and that is first symbol of the probability and second symbol of the probability, which is both are equal. That is the thing they are saying. The source encoder increase the probability of first symbol. First of all, the encoder increase the probability of the first symbol by small amount and decrease the second symbol for small amount, same small amount, after encoding the entropy of the source. Because we have the we in the first line itself, we first two symbols being the same, but we change the encoder change the first symbol to increase some amount. The same amount it is decreased, which is both are equal in the beginning. So what is the after encoding the entropy of the source would be, what kind of source that is entropy would be, that is increased amount of entropy level or decreased or same level, we have to find that. In the theory of the encoding information technology and entropy, those things, we have to say that entropy in maximum when all the symbols are equiparable. Equiparable means it having the equal probability of any two symbols. Here entropy in maximum, that is entropy will get maximum value when all the symbols are equiparable, that is equal value for probability. In first case, without having any encoder does not make any change, means we have the maximum entropy value. If the probability of symbols getting different, that entropy is going to decrease. By changing the encoder changed the value of the probability of first symbol and second symbol, which makes the difference between the probabilities, that give us the idea to get the entropy level should be decreased when the encoder changed the value of the probability. So this, after encoding the entropy of the source, the entropy would be decreased value. The first value of the entropy would be decreased. Thank you.